I just wanted to inform you briefly. Today, the meeting called by the Honorable Chief Minister to all the religious leaders of the state. I'm so happy to inform all of you that the draft SOP was in place. We have already circulated to all the religious leaders, and then the decision that we taken is yes, at least 85 to 90% was agreeable, but few more issues as far as few clauses of the draft SOP is concerned. We are going to improve it a little bit, and then by tomorrow we will be able to send to the respective religious leaders, and we will circulate it all to them. And number two, the decision we taken today is that from 14 of this month, reopening of worshipping place will start. Will start from 14 of this month. Why we said that? It takes a lot of time for the religious leaders to go down up to the grassroots. They need to also make to the believers, the followers, convinced, and not only that, they have to also understand the SOP has to be in place, and it has to be also not only in place, they have to also adhere to in totality. And we are going to do it today, and then by tomorrow we are going to send to the concerned religious group, religious leaders, and with the suggestions, submissions made by our religious leaders today in the meeting.
Some of the suggestions that the state government also can come up with some SOP, and other suggestion was that if we can get some guidelines, how many people can be come together in the worship, keeping the social distancing and all, and if the SOP can be translated in the local language so that we can reach out to the rural congregations. So these are the suggestions that which we, all the religious leaders, we have done, and we have agreed on opening the religious places from the 14th of June onwards, with all the necessary measures which we have to take, follow the protocols of the government.